Hello, Natasha. This is Mr. Gibson, and I am going to go over how you find the worksheets and how the assignments go. Okay, first of all, you go to your course, which is Math 130 I3. Okay, so now, while you're at your course, you will scroll down until you get to here, where it says Worksheets. Now you would click on the worksheets folder, and inside the folder it has Math 130 course pack, but this is actually where your worksheets are located. You would click here, download it, and then you will open up the document, and then you will scroll down. You notice here on this document it does say worksheets on the second page, and then the worksheets start. Now the worksheets start here on page 3. Now, this week, according to JetNet and also the syllabus, you're supposed to do worksheets 1-1 through 1-3, and they are due on Sunday. Whenever lessons are completed for the week, they're always due the following Sunday. So this week is 1-1 through 1-3. The worksheets are due the upcoming Sunday, which would be the 17th by 11:59 p.m. So if you do not have the worksheets available at home, which you should have gotten in your course pack, then you would need to print them out from here. And there on pages 3, it looks like pages 3 through 7, I do believe. Yes, 3 through 7. So after you have all of your worksheets from 1-1 through 1-3, you would do those problems, write out your answers, have your name on the sheets as well. And then after that, after you have completed this, let me go back here. After you have completed the worksheets, you are supposed to scan them and also upload them. So first, oh, my status is a student, so that's good. Okay, so let's get down to where you will learn to scan them. I'm back up at the top of the JetNet page. But if you scroll down to here where it's number 8, where it says worksheets assignment, worksheets and project assignments, there's a video for an app called Cam Scanner. What you need to do is download the Cam Scanner app and then watch this video, and it will show you step by step how to scan the documents to be a PDF document. Okay, now after you do that, you will go down to the week that you're trying to turn the assignments in, which here is week 1. Week 1, you see here where it says 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3 worksheets. You will click here and you will add submission. You will go down here and click add submission. And then you will drag your files or hit here to add the file to this area here. So if you wanted to add it this way, or or another way, or drag it, if you end up saving it to your computer, you would be able to drag the files here or upload them here, and then you will click save changes, and then it's submitted. So that takes care of the worksheets. Now the next thing, and I'm gonna go through this this next portion here. Okay, you have the check assignments. The check assignments for each week are due the Wednesday of the week. So you are to do sections 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3. I sent you the video with the last email that I sent out to you. The email had a link to the videos in that link. So you're supposed to take out your course pack that you're supposed to get from the bookstore, take out your course pack, look at those videos for each of the sections, copying down the notes. Now, after you're done with all of your notes, you will go and click here, first to 1-1, and then you will click on, I had clicked on this earlier, but it says here, after you click on here, it says enter the answer to question 8 on page 10. So you will go to page 10, look at question 8, and then type in your answer here, and then click on finish attempt. Now you would do that with each one of those lesson checks. So you should have 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3, and then you have until 11:59 p.m. Well, it will be tomorrow, which is Wednesday, to complete that. So that take care of your lesson checks. Now, the next assignment that you would have, most weeks you will have a homework assignment that's due. But in this case, you don't have the homework due for this week, but the homework for 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3 is actually going to be due next week. And it has it right here. Lesson 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3 is also due on a Sunday. But what I'm doing with the homework is I'm giving you to the next week to do the previous week's homework. So the next week, which is week 2, you would do week 1's homework by that Sunday. And what happens here is when you click on the link for the homework, it will take you to Alex, and you would do the homework on Alex. The homework assignments. All 3 of these is due by Sunday the 24th by 11:59 p.m. Even though 1-4 and 1-5 is to be completed next week. So I'm just letting you know 1-4 and 1-5 is going to be completed next week, but the homework for 1-1 through 1-3 is due next week. Now 1-4 and 1-5 won't be due until week 3. And it's listed here, homework 1-4, homework 1-5. And then also for next week, you will have the worksheets and you will follow the same procedure that I showed you. Now, the next thing will be the projects. You could just follow this. You can either look at your syllabus or you could look here on your JetNet page. When you scroll down here, you'll keep scrolling and you see here, project 1 is due February 14th. So what you would do with the project, just going back up here for the projects, we have a projects folder. You will click on this project folder. Now, that'll be project 1 that's due by February 14th. You will click the down arrow and you will use all 3 of these to complete project 1. Now, first thing, you always click on a Word document, which will give you the instructions of what you would need to do in order to complete the assignment. And these 2 Excel documents here you have to complete as well. So that's how you would do the projects. And the projects, when they are due, they're due the Sunday of the week they're due. And that happens to be February the 14th. So now, that is the projects. Now, as far as submitting the projects, okay, the projects, let me go down here to where this project was due. Okay, to submit the projects, you would click here and you would submit it. You would add submission just like it was with the worksheets. You can do the projects, scan it, and then upload it like you would do the worksheets. Okay, now, as far as the exams are concerned, there's a midterm and a final. Both of those exams will be done on Respondus, and I will have to send that off to you as far as the directions for Respondus, but that will be coming very soon. But as far as the exam reviews, if we go back up to the top, the exam reviews, if you scroll down, is in the exam review folder. You click here, and then it has all the exam reviews. For the midterm, you will need to look at and do midterm review part 1 and part 2. And then for the final, you would need to do all 4 because the final would include the final exam review and the midterm review. Okay, now also these, well, let me show you one real quick. Click on one, download it. Let me open it up. Now this is the review here, and I want to show you this at the end. I think it's 30, is it what, 31 questions here. But at the end, it has the answer key to this exam review, and it's for all of them. All of them have an answer key at the end of the review. And that is so when you look at it, when you do the review, you can see whether or not you understand it. And if you don't understand a portion of it, you can always reach out to me and I will answer any of your questions. Now, as far as the review, you do not get graded on the review. You are just to do the review so that you would get a better understanding of it, of the upcoming exam. Now, just to take a quick look here, let me keep scrolling down here as far as the exams. The midterm would not be due until after we finish chapter 2. And that midterm, let's see, check, Unit 2 review. The midterm will be about March 3rd. As you see here, it'll be about March 3rd that you will have the midterm. And then the final, of course, you scroll down here, the last day of the class, the final will be Wednesday, April 28th, and will be due by 5 p.m. that day. And no extensions on the final exam. So that covers everything as far as this course is concerned. You need to sign up for Alex in order to be able to do the homework and other little assignments that I have in Alex that you have to complete. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to email me and I will gladly answer your questions. Have a wonderful day.